guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my January Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and open her up. And usually with Boxycharm, they always have a little card to kind of tell you what the theme is. And the theme for this month is Boxy and Chill, which is super cute. And then on the back of the card, they usually have the names and the prices of everything that you get. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. First thing I've got in my box is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So this card says it is 2 ounces and it's $16. And I've had Briogeo before in another Boxycharm, and I absolutely loved it. I can't remember, I want to say it was a hair mask, but I loved it. So I'm definitely interested in trying out some more of their stuff. So I'll probably try it out after I wash my hair and dry it and everything. The next thing I got was this Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick, and I got the color Pickled Ginger. And this runs $26, so this is it right here. And the color, and I'll swatch it for you guys real quick. Ooh, I really like that color. That's really pretty. I think I'll really enjoy using it. I don't normally use a lot of bright colors. As you can tell, I definitely have a darker lipstick on right now. I have ColourPop Lippy Sticks, Girl Gang, and Matte. And I've really been loving it like the past week or so. I think it's really great, like winter color. The other item I got is my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette, which I love. Oh my gosh, I love the way that this looks. And then this is the inside, which is like all shimmers and then one matte, which I don't mind because I can use this with other palettes that I have. But let's swatch some of these. I'm going to swatch this one, and let's do the gold. Let's see how they, oh yeah. So this is the gold, the pink, and the more brown color, copper color, and they look stunning. I'll definitely have to try them out, but this is the palette that I got. And I also got this Starlux. Oh, I don't know if I told you how much the palette was. So the palette is $36 for the Tarte palette. And then I got a Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Let me see if I can open her up. I'm pretty sure it's just in black. But, so this was $19. Oh no, it's not in black at all. Let's see, this one is in Aurora, which is more of like a pinky kind of color. I don't know if it's going to show up either. It's very sparkly, but let me see if you can see the tip of it. Really super sparkly. Oh my gosh. So, I've never used that color before, but I don't think it'll be too bad. It'll be good to try out and see. And then the last thing we got are these two Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. And so I'm really excited. I've never tried anything Tatcha before. I've always wanted to try the face primer and their moisturizer. But so hopefully I'll really enjoy these. And maybe it'll make me want to try some of their other stuff out as well. Well, I've always wanted to, but actually purchase their stuff. And so the Tatcha masks are $24. And I don't know if I said this, but Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. and it runs $21 before taxes. So I think mine, I normally pay like $22 maybe after taxes, but I get it every month, like monthly, and I normally get it around 15th, 16th of each month. So I think it just kind of varies, but it's a great deal because $22, and then you end up getting Tatcha, Tarte, Briogeo, a Bite Beauty, so name brand stuff. And this month's Boxycharm, let's see, tally everything up. So we got the Briogeo for $16, the Rainforest of the Sea palette for $36, the Starlet's Eye Pencil for $19, Tatcha face masks, 2 of them, for $24, and then this Bite Beauty lipstick for $26. And so this month's box is a total of $121 worth of stuff. So it's such a good value that I mean, $21 a month for $121 worth of stuff. I think it's totally worth it. Plus you get name brand stuff, so you know what you're getting. And then sometimes you also get stuff that you've never tried before that now you can try. I found a lot of stuff that I've liked through Boxycharm, so it's great value. But that's all for this month's Boxycharm video. If you have any questions about Boxycharm, leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'll definitely try and answer them. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.